Okay, if you want something a little bit tougher, this is still a gentle workout but a little bit harder. We're going to start with the squats this time. We're looking for 2 sets, 10 to 15 squats. Same position, you keep your legs in shoulder width position and then your arms stretched out if you want extra balance, and you're just going up and down until your thighs are parallel with the floor. Keep your back straight, keep looking ahead, make sure you don't rock forward and your knees don't stretch out over your toes. So sit back and up and down, and we're looking for about 10 to 15. Take a couple of minutes rest in between. I'm looking for 2 sets of those. Okay, so this is quite a simple one, tap backs. We're looking for about 15 each side. Something a little bit faster than what we've done so far. Just keep on looking ahead so you don't lose your balance. Something to get your heart rate up ever so slightly. Okay, we're going to continue with that theme and move on to the rocket jump. So you stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and you're pushing through your feet, extending your arms, and then you're coming back, repositioning your feet and going again. If you want something a little bit harder, then start in a lower position and just make sure you reposition your feet. And we're looking for 15 to 24 reps of these. Okay, so onto the tricep dip. You can just sit on the floor for this and gently lift yourself off the ground, or you can use a bench like I'm doing, but keep your feet flat with your knees slightly bent and your hands just slightly behind, fingertips pointing towards you, and you're just lifting yourself, lowering yourself towards the floor, lifting yourself up without locking out your elbows. And we're looking for 2 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Okay, we'll finish with some press-ups then. Who doesn't love these? We're looking for 2 sets. You can stay on your knees for extra support if you want, or you can progress up to a full press-up. Bring your hands slightly closer than you think they need to be. Push your elbows in if you want to make them that bit tougher. Looking for 2 sets, 10 to 15 reps.